Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is lesson number 4 in Microsoft Excel. It is about using if function and using the date functions, some of the functions. About if is a function in Microsoft Excel which is evaluating some condition. It means that if this condition is true or false, the condition is a criteria, like this number is greater than or equal to or less than this number. So the result has to be yes or no. Yes or no can be translated to text or to another formula or to number. So let us see how. For number 1, in the evaluation column here, use if to evaluate the salary value. So you are evaluating the salary value, the cell which contains the salary value. So what is the condition? If it is greater than or equal to 25,000, then what? High salary as a text. You see that this text is coming between two quotation marks. Else, average salary means also another text. So let us try to start. Equals if, open bracket. Remember that in Microsoft Excel you always start with equals. Then you put the formula name, then you open bracket. So if what? You click on the salary because this is the cell which contains the condition. The condition is the salary greater than or equal to 25,000. So you are putting this condition directly. Then comma. Then what? High salary. The high salary means between two quotation marks. High salary. Why we put the high salary between two quotation marks? Because this is a text. Please remember, in Microsoft Excel, when you insert text or criteria, you have to insert the text or the criteria between two quotation marks. Do not put it directly. You will get a wrong result. So high salary is a text. Comma means else. Else what? Average salary. It's also text. So you again put two quotation marks, then type average salary. Then you click enter. The result is average salary because it is not greater than or equal to 25,000. Now we are going to use drag and drop by this way. You move the mouse to the right bottom, then you click, then you drag it and drop. So now we got the evaluation or the result for all cells. What about number 2? In the gift column, this is the gift column, use if to evaluate the rank. So we are going to evaluate this value. If it is greater than 3, so the condition is rank greater than 3, then what? This is one formula. Else means if it is not, another formula. So let us use this one. Equals if, open bracket. You click on the rank because the evaluation is rank greater than 3. Then you directly type directly greater than 3. Remember that you have to put the condition directly. Do not divide this condition or put some comma or space in between. You directly put the condition, then comma, then what? Salary multiply by rank multiply by 1%. So if it is true, you open bracket, then you click on the salary because you are translating the salary to a value. It's not a text. This is the salary cell multiplied by the rank cell multiplied by 1%. So salary multiplied by rank multiplied by 1%. Comma means else. So else what? Salary multiplied by 1%. So again you open bracket, then you click on the salary multiply by 1%. Then you close and close the bracket, then you click enter. So this is the result now. As you see, this result means that the rank here is not greater than 3, so it becomes the salary multiplied by 1%. Then when you use drag and drop, you see that we will get a different values based on the rank cell. Number 3, in the price column, this is the price, use if to evaluate the rank value. If it is 1, so now we are going to evaluate the rank. If the rank equals 1, then what? Price means gift plus 100. Else, if it is not equal, if it doesn't equal 1, then price equals gift multiplied by 50%. So it's the same idea. Equals if, open bracket. So if what? Rank equals 1, then what? Gift plus 100. So you click on the gift cell plus 100. Else means if it is not, then the gift multiplied by 0.5. So this is the evaluation now. This is the result. Then use drag and drop. So this is about using if function for Microsoft Excel. Now let us go to 456. Calculate the difference between the dates, all days. Well, first you have to understand that Microsoft Excel is treating dates as numbers. What does this mean? This means simply that the numbers in Microsoft Excel equals dates, and this is starting from 1st January 1900. So you can say that number 1 in Microsoft Excel means 1st January 1900. So number 5 means 5th January 1500, like this way. So when you come to today's date, you will find it like 42,000 something. This means simply that since 1st January 1900, 42,000 and some days has passed till now. Here you see today's date. Today's date, it simply means simple formula equals today, then 2 blank brackets. So it gives you automatically today's date. And this date is coming in the system format, which is month, day, year. Say that there is other dates, like 1st January 2017, okay? Well, look at number 4. Calculate the difference between the dates as all days. This difference between the two dates, it looks like difference between two numbers. So you simply type equals, then you click on this date, today's date, then minus that other date. That's it. Then you click enter. It will give you the number as what? 95. Means that the difference between these two dates is 95 days. So what about number 5? Calculate the difference between the dates as working days. Well, this is something different, because when you are calculating the difference between the two dates as working days, it means simply that you are calculating the difference as 5 days per week, not 7 days per week. And this is done using the where Networkdays function. So let us apply this one. Then here you type equals Networkdays days, open bracket. You have only or enough to put only two parameters, the old date, which is this one, start date, which means the old date, comma, end date, the new date. Then you simply click enter. So it gives you 69. So it means that the difference between these two dates is 69 working days. Now let us come to number 6. In number 6, look at these parameters. There is a project start date 1st January 2017. The duration of this project is 120 days, and in between you have these dates as holidays. So now you have simply to specify what is the expected date to finish this project. This expected date is calculated using the Workday function. So what is the expected date to finish the project using what? Workday function. So equals Workday, open bracket. You simply click on the start date, then comma, then the duration, then comma, then you highlight the holidays in between as a range, then you click enter, close the bracket and click enter. So it gives you the result as what? The expected date to finish the project is coming like a number. Maybe you are going to think that this is a wrong result. No, it's not a wrong result. The expected date, you have to see it as a date, right? The computer gives it to you as a number, because I told you that Microsoft Excel is treating dates as numbers. So this is the equivalent date on this number means this date for Microsoft Excel. If you want to see it as a date, you simply right click and go to format cells, then you just select the date as a format, then click enter. Okay, so it means that this is the result, 23rd June 2017 is the expected date to finish this project. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.